The Netherlands needs 100,000 new homes a year. Trouble is, no one's trained enough bricklayers to build them. The workforce is aging out faster than it's being replaced. So one Amsterdam startup looked at the problem and said, fine, we'll just build the bricklayers ourselves. Meet Monumental. And specifically, meet its 3 robots because yes, they have names, and no, I'm not making this up. There's Pisa, who actually lays the bricks and mortar. There's Petra, who feeds Pisa a steady supply of bricks. And there's Panama, who keeps the mortar flowing. It's basically a tiny robotic construction crew minus the T-brakes. Before a single brick moves, the whole wall gets planned digitally. Architects' drawings get broken down brick by brick, mortar joint by mortar joint, through a software called Atrium. Then the fleet rolls up to the site and gets to work autonomously, right alongside human tradespeople. Here's the smart bit though, Monumental doesn't sell the robots, they operate them as subcontractors. Mess up a wall, that's on them, and they'll fix it by hand if they have to. Which means every single job makes the system smarter, because they're the ones learning from every awkward corner and every stubborn Dutch rain shower. So what's the future here? Right now they've built over 100 homes, a school, a hotel, even chunks of Amsterdam's canal walls. Tiny compared to the scale needed, but the CEO's blunt about the plan. You don't make one robot work twice as hard, you deploy twice as many. Robots polarize in a way a shrinking workforce simply can't. Give this a few years and a robot bricklayer might be as normal on a job as a cement mixer.